Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Expedia One Key point not showing. So to fix this issue, we can start by waiting for post-travel processing because points are not instant. Pay now hotels and activities arrive 3 days after travel completes, while pay later or flights may take up to 30 to 45 days. Now points are only earned if you are signed in at the same time of booking. If you booked as a guest, points cannot be added later. Now check for pending status. You can just simply log in and then navigate to account activity and check for pending one key cash, which appears shortly after booking but only confirms after the trip. Now verify eligible bookings. Not all fares are eligible. Specifically, many flights are not eligible for one key cash redemption unless they are categorized as retailer fares, which are often confirmed only at checkouts. Now the next what you can do is contact customer support. Just open your Expedia app and then go to your account at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down to help and feedback. Once you tap on it, tap visit the help center to contact Expedia customer service. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.